Okay, here we are on the pricing health page inside Seller Central. This is where Amazon condemns inventory it is deemed has been priced either too high or too low. Anything with a pricing error ends up on this page. And this is the problem, all this condemned inventory. This is the problem that NeuroPriceFix was built to solve. So you can see NeuroPriceFix embeds some powerful controls right here at the top of the pricing health page. Here are your options. And I'll do this in 3 parts. Number 1, you can drop the price for all of your inventory with a single click. You can say, hey, drop my price by 50 cents, $1, whatever you choose with a single click. That's probably the most common use of NeuroPriceFix. So I'll just show you a quick demo. Let's just say we're gonna go ahead and drop the price for everything that I currently have stranded in my inventory by $1. Click reprice. So there you go, boom. With a single click, you now can see the before price and the new price. And all you have to do to lock in the changes is click save all, and your inventory will be live again in seconds. Okay, so the second thing NeuroPriceFix does is allow you to price against multiple other prices, including the reference price, Amazon's price, the list price, the average price, or the buy box price, otherwise known as the featured price. So let's just say you want NeuroPriceFix to go ahead and match the buy box price for everything on this page. And if there's no buy box available, let's say we can drop our price by $1. This is a fallback option. Then you just hit reprice, boom. NeuroPriceFix went through and matched the buy box offer, otherwise known as the featured offer, for every single item on the page with a single click. Okay, the third thing NeuroPriceFix does is it edits your minimum and maximum values in bulk. So let's say you made a mistake listing, or you just left it blank and you want to go ahead and add minimum maximum values or change them in any way you want. You can go ahead and say, okay, I want every minimum value to be $10 and the maximum for everything to be $99. Go ahead and click reprice, and you can see instantly with a single click, NeuroPriceFix has edited every single minimum and maximum pricing field. And again, all you have to do to lock these in is click save all at the top of the page, and the changes are live instantly. So that's it, you guys. NeuroPriceFix automates a process that would have taken you potentially hours to do manually, and it does it all with a single click. NeuroPriceFix is 100% free, so just go ahead and click the link next to this video and install it instantly.